Good morning, Toastmasters. Emily Young here, your Vice President of Public Relations for Harpeth Toastmasters. I'm coming back to you again this weekend with another edition of our video newsletter. After a really great meeting this week, we had 3 fabulous prepared speeches by Daisy Jabis, Hamilton Barksdale, and Samuel Palaparthy, each of which I got a tip out of that I think we can all take something away from. Daisy allowed us to give you a little bit of her speech in the video newsletter today, so here, let's take a look.
It was a long journey. I was really afraid. My journey to being a little bit confident, or hoping that I look confident, started way over here, maybe further back. But I had a plan for dealing with my fear. A plan that I'll share with you, but not right now. I was so afraid. April, yes, Bali. I came for a year and a half of visiting before I joined. Then I joined. I got a manual, the pathway for how to become more confident, to become a better public speaker and confident, or looking confident. It said, give a speech. Took me 3 months to give that speech, but I gave that speech. Then I gave another, and another, and another. And then that manual said, enter a speech contest, because it will give you speaking skills that you can learn no other way.
What I loved about Daisy's speech was not only how it highlighted her growth within Toastmasters, but also how she showed off her ability to interact and work with her stage. Hi, Harvey. This is my dog, Harvey. He comes and joins me sometimes. But I thought it was really a great highlight to how much she has grown as a Toastmaster and her public speaking abilities as a result. Hamilton got up there and gave us a speech that he really demonstrated his comfort in front of the audience, and one of the things that I took away from it was that he got up, he took a deep breath, he looked around the room, and then he began, which I think is a lesson we can all put into practice. And lastly, Samuel Palaparthy gave us another great speech in which he demonstrated his prowess at interacting with the audience and having a prepared speech that he also can do some improvisation on the fly depending on what the audience is doing. So it was really a great meeting with fabulous prepared speeches. I think one of the best set of 3 speeches we've had in a little while, so I was glad to be there and glad to enjoy it. I also had a chance to sit down after the meeting with our Vice President of Membership, Ed Zinkowitz, to tell us a little bit more about what's going on. So let's take a look. I'm joined today with our first Distinguished Toastmaster at Harpeth Toastmasters, and also our Vice President of Membership, Ed Zinkowitz. And he's going to tell us about being a Distinguished Toastmaster. What keeps you coming back for more?
Well, thanks, Emily. I think Distinguished Toastmaster is probably one of the most encouraging awards I've ever gotten. I'm proud of that. It means that I worked hard at being a leader at the club level and district level, that worked hard at learning how to speak better. And I really think I have improved. So why would I stop doing any of that? I keep doing that. And one of the things I've added and tried to work at of late is to help mentor new speakers and get them started at the beginning.
You were my mentor.
Yes, and you're still here. So, hey, all that's good.
It's working out well. So, anything else you'd like to share?
We're going to have an open house September 7th right here, 7:30 in the morning. Invite all those guests. In fact, bring them here. We're going to have breakfast. If you haven't signed up to help bring the breakfast, please do. And please be thinking about who would want to know a little more about Toastmasters. If you contact me or Emily, we can also send you brochures that you can pass to your friends, give to your neighbors, post in your house, and put in your workplace, or grocery store and restaurants and anywhere else to help spread the word. There's 4 different kinds of brochures that have different kinds of emphasis about what Toastmaster does. So we encourage you. This is the next 6 weeks is all about new members and inviting guests. So let's get with the program. Bring your friends. I know you know people who have listened to you talk about why Toastmasters has been good for you. Now's your chance to say, and it can be good for you too.
Absolutely. Thanks for joining us, Ed.
You're welcome.
So there you heard it. Ed tells us about our upcoming open house. I worked with Ed to make these great flyers that you may see around town. But be sure that if this is your place for your Toastmasters news, if you'd like to come to our open house, we would absolutely love to have you. Please go to hvtm.rsvpify.com and RSVP for that open house so we can estimate how much food to prepare. We look forward to seeing you at a meeting or our open house on September 7th, and you'll hear from me again next week. Thanks so much.